The great crane is an inhabitant of the dry savannas in Africa. They have an elaborate courtship display, which involves dancing, bowing, and jumping. They are elegant birds only found south of the Sahara Desert. The California condor is one of the rarest birds in the world. They are the largest flying bird in North America and feed on carrion. The number of California condors was reduced dramatically by poisoning. This is not a bird that's scared of heights. It hunts for carrion by soaring high in the sky, either singly or in large groups. Noted as being a highly social species, these birds often nest in colonies of more than 100 pairs. This species does not have the characteristic bald head. It inhabits the cracks in the high mountains of Europe, India, Pakistan, Africa, and Tibet. Like most vultures, they eat mostly carrion which they locate by sight. Some of the heaviest flying birds are our swan. They may fly hundreds of miles to reach breeding grounds in subarctic Eurasia. These birds are powerful flyers, despite weighing 18 to 44 pounds.
This is a magnificent and humongous bird. Its diet consists mainly of carrion, but unlike most vultures, these birds will kill small to medium-sized mammals as well. They do not reach maturity until they are around 8 years old and can live 50 to 60 years.
Wingspan, at least 11 feet 3.4 meters. These unusual scavengers are a frequent sight on the African plains. They are often called undertaker birds because of their habits. They are gregarious and colonial breeders. These large and distinctive birds inhabit the eastern Mediterranean to Vietnam and South Africa. They are known for forming huge aggregations, including a colony of around 75,000 in Tanzania. These are amazing and majestic birds. They spend their entire lives at sea, although the largest confirmed report was around 12 feet. There have been accounts of wandering albatross wingspans as large as 17 feet across.